In this video, we're going to cover three topics related to Google Docs: formatting your text, including titles, document outline, and creating a table of contents within your Google document. First of all, let's talk about formatting within Google Docs. Google Docs allows you, using this drop-down right here, to assign specific formatting to titles and headings within your document. This allows you to ensure that your formatting is consistent throughout. You can customize these headings simply by changing the title or heading to how you'd like it to be formatted, going to your title dropdown, and then choosing Update Title to Match. This will automatically update all titles within your document to match the formatting you've chosen. Do note that any changes that you make to your title and heading styles won't be saved across new documents. However, if you'd like to update this and have your own customized default style, you can do so by going to Options at the bottom of the title list and clicking Save My Default Styles. If you'd like to revert to any that you've changed to their original format, you can do so by returning to your default that you've saved or resetting to the default for the system. Another way that you can apply the formatting you're looking for is using the @ menu. Simply press @ and then type the name of the formatting that you're looking for, click it, and type freely. Once you hit return, your formatting should return to your regular text. Now, let's talk about a document outline. What is a document outline? A document outline is a feature within Google Docs that allows us to summarize and set up navigation points within our document. To begin creating a document outline, simply click on the icon in the top left of your document pane. Once you click on this, you'll see the options for summary and you'll see your outline and navigation points within. These navigation points may look familiar as they are actually anchored to the formatting that we applied in the first part of this video. The summary itself, you can type in yourself in order to create a guide for new collaborators that might be joining the document, or you can allow Google to automatically generate one based on the content of the document, as I've done here. To accept the suggestion that Google makes, all you need to do is press Tab. You can use the outline itself to navigate between different parts of the document simply by clicking on the headings that you've created. You'll also notice that they will nest themselves automatically based on the level of formatting that you've given them. Finally, let's talk about a table of contents. A table of contents acts quite similarly to the navigation part of our document outline. To insert one, all you need to do is click on Insert and scroll down to the very bottom. You have three choices within, depending on the style that you want: either plain text, dotted, or link-based. Regardless of what type you choose, it will automatically update to our heading format that we placed before, and each of these will supply you with a clickable link to navigate to the titles that you've created. Do note that if you add an additional heading, to update your table of contents, you need to click within the box and click refresh in order to add the additional one.
Thanks for watching. Here at the Live Learning Company, we aim to take the hassle out of tech and put the human back into digital training. We deliver scalable training sessions in productivity and collaboration apps such as Google Workspace and Microsoft 365. Our sessions are delivered live by trainers, meaning you can ask questions as you learn. Click on the link to see our website and learn more.